Very happy to get the next minute and a half to tell you how lucky I feel to have worked with the three actresses representing for tonight's Ensemble Award, Teyana Taylor, Chase Infinity, and Regina Hall. Teyana, you're first. This is the birthday girl. Her birthday's tomorrow, everybody. She doesn't just own her role, she steals it. She demands that it's hers, and she challenges anyone who gets in her way. And if you're me, working with her is like driving an extremely fast car. It's fun, it's dangerous, and if you don't respect it, it'll burn you. She deserves this award not just for her talent as an actress, but for taking this character and helping guide me towards what it needed to be. By bringing your own experience and her own life into the work. And as I found her, it's not all wildness and rage, it's vulnerability, tenderness, and that's what makes you the full package. Oh. Now Chase, we have a new and exciting talent that's come our way. She dropped in straight from Indianapolis, and it's now our job here in this room and in this filmmaking community to make sure we give her enough material to support her extraordinary talent. She showed up fully formed and in complete command of her skill, and she's as much fun to work with as she is to watch, and I can't wait to see what she does on the road ahead. So let's count our lucky stars that we got this new blessing with Chase. And Regina. I want to present this award to you not just for the performance in the film, but for the producing that you did for me behind the scenes. You've been with this film from the start. You were cast first. You helped guide everyone in this cast. You were there for every audition, every rehearsal. You're the bass player, the mama bear, the protector, and you're a great gift. Your great gift is that you see everyone. It's my pleasure to give you this award, but it's my honor to call you a really good friend and neighbor. So come on up and grab this award, guys.